Alright, hey guys, Brony General here, back with another video. Once again apologizing for aspect ratio. And right now, as you can see, I am updating my computer. Why am I updating my computer? Well, because it's about to get shut down so that I can replace that buggy frickin' thing. That's the optical media drive for my PC, which has started making noises and not wanting to read or write disks and just being generally problematic. So I figured I'd go ahead and might as well make a video out of popping this thing open and showing you what makes it tick on the inside, since I don't think you guys have ever actually seen inside my main rig here. So yeah, let me bring you guys back once the computer's all updated and I can start taking this thing apart. Alright, we got this thing all spun down and ready here. So let's go ahead and shut those off and we can start disassembling this stack of stuff. Alright, cool. So, let me go ahead and get this thing open here for you guys, and I'll take you guys inside and give you a look, see what's going on in here. Okay, PC open for the first time in a while, as you can tell by that dust right there and everywhere. But yeah, this is the inside of my main system, as it has been and remained for at least a year now. The only real difference between now and 2 years ago is the addition of that. So yeah, this is my Intel Core i7 machine, Linux Manjaro Arch thingy, 500 gig hard drive, 2 terabyte hard drive. Those are gonna have to come out. I believe it's those two and those two screws, and that whole thing comes up and off, being mindful of the case lock here as well. And yeah, so I gotta take this out, get the disk drive, or get to the disk drive at the very least, which I think comes out on the same caddy, and then I can swap it out for the new one, which hopefully works. I got it out of my basement. If it doesn't work, I'm sure I have another SATA CD DVD drive somewhere, but I'll have to find it. So yeah, let me go ahead and unscrew these and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, all 4 screws out. Now if I remember correctly, get cables out of the way and I should be able to just lift up and back. Alright, that frees it and brings it up into view. Pretty easy. I like these server workstation cases. They work really well for serviceability. Anyway, I guess I'll just go ahead and get this disk drive out here for you guys. And you know what? Let me use this as an opportunity to try doing a little bit of time-lapse editing, eh? So I guess I'll get you guys set up on a little micro tripod thing here, and we'll do a little time-lapse thing if that works out. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw that during the time lapse, if there even is a time lapse, but I actually got a piece of, I don't know, magnet, I guess, stuck in one of the screws, and had to dig that out of the Phillips head for the screw before I could actually get it in. But yeah, that's all reconnected. Everything's connected properly. So now's the big reveal. Does this thing actually work? So let's see. My computer still powers on, and it just made seeking noises, so that's a good thing. Oh yeah, seems pretty healthy actually. Sweet! Optical drive fixed. So, yeah, that's just a quick little video of swapping out my optical drive, I guess. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. And right to repair, guys. Right to repair.
I learned you get more for an LED screen than a plasma, because apparently plasmas are old, and I didn't know that.
And just in case somebody might be wondering if I got the computer all the way back together and working and then found out the disk drive actually doesn't work. No, it in fact does work. So, that's good. Nice, quiet, seems to operate pretty good. So, here's to hoping it lasts a few years.